ChatGPT didn't just read the internet and start chatting. There are 3 distinct training stages, and the last one is the secret sauce. Stage 1, pre-training. OpenAI fed the model a massive chunk of the internet. Books, articles, websites, code, billions of words. The AI's only job? Predict the next word over and over billions of times. Doing that enough times teaches the model grammar, facts, reasoning, writing style. It absorbs language like a sponge, but at this point, it's not a helpful assistant. It's just a really good autocomplete. Stage 2, fine-tuning. Now trainers show the model thousands of examples of ideal conversations, real questions, ideal answers, the format of a helpful Q&A. The model learns. This is how a good assistant responds. Not just predicting words anymore, it's learning a role. Stage 3, RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback. Human raters compare multiple AI responses and pick the better one. The AI learns to prefer the responses humans liked. Over thousands of rounds, it gets better and better at being genuinely helpful, not just grammatically correct. This is why ChatGPT feels different from older chatbots. It's been shaped by human judgment. So, pre-training gives it knowledge. Fine-tuning gives it the right format. RLHF gives it helpfulness. 3 stages, 1 assistant. And the same process applies to Claude, Gemini, basically all modern AI chatbots. Follow for the next video. Drop your AI questions in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great one.